As the winter turned to spring, as the spell was broken, the rain fell tenderly, my heart began to open. I'm there with you, I'm walking in your garden, gratitude stirring deep inside. Heaven knew and sent me all I needed. Love so true, pouring down from the sky. I like the rain, your love came calling, falling soft upon my window pane. You came and turned my desert green again, changing everything. Your love is like the rain, a cloudburst on a summer breeze, in answer to the forest, watching over you and me. A symphony played for us. When you spoke, something felt completed, soul to soul. And it took some time, you alone. I brought the gift I needed. Love's a rose that is unfolding deep inside. I like the rain, you cooled my fires raging. My heart's desire had always been the same. You came and turned my desert green again, changing everything. Your love is like the rain. Time was sand sifting through my fingers that the wind blew away, when only thirst was there beside me. I prayed to hold on one more day, and I awoke in this oasis. Words can never say how nothing that love touches stays the same. I like the rain, your love came calling, falling soft upon my window pane. You came and turned my desert green again, changing everything. Your love is like the rain. 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 It's a David Marsden song, tribute